standard dishwasher uses 15 gallons of water per load. Energy-efficient dishwashers use about 9 gallons of water per load when they are in water-saving mode, which, in my experience, does a lousy job. This is me washing dishes with about a gallon of water. Note how the rinse water fills the wash basin. I'm using the dishwasher as a dish drying rack. Folks say that a dishwasher uses less water than washing dishes by hand. I suppose that can be true if you fill the sink before you start and run the tap non-stop for rinsing. I hope this demonstration makes it clear that washing dishes by hand can use far less water than a dishwasher. As an added bonus, no dishes ever need to be re-washed, and what you find in the dishwasher is always clean. The idea that the kitchen can always be clean, that there aren't chunks of rotting food hidden just behind the door of the dishwasher.